Hey, what's going on these gravel roads and these paved streets? My name is Keisha and I am a homesteader. Today I will be assembling a greenhouse. I keep looking down because y'all know it's snake season. All right. So I'm going to start off by trying to level, sorry, the dog run, the floor. This right here is the pallets that I'll be using for the floor of the greenhouse. And the reason why I'm using these is because it holds 1,000 pounds and plastic pallets do not rot. So this will be a forever floor. Sun gods have smiled upon us because the sun is out now. Y'all are probably wondering why this crazy heifer got these rugs down. And that is because I was trying to kill the grass. Now, did it work? Got some nice worms. This would be good for chickens. Okay, it killed a lot of it though. Y'all see this? So it did kill most of this grass. Like, let me give y'all a close up. I was talking bad about it. Now it does still have a few little roots here and there, but for the most part, it's dead. The rug is so heavy because it's been raining on it.
Going back to my old hometown, picking
Real
up
quick, is this chamomile or is this a weed? Let me know.
Driving by the fields I used to run through, where you were chasing me. We were riding out under the bleachers when no one could see. Oh, sweet memories of a town I loved, but oh, changed when you left. I keep on asking myself in my mind, were you the one that got away? Moved a few times, but ended up in Nashville. Tried to settle my restless soul. Got a job that felt like forever when I met you. You made me happy.
I'm out of breath. As you can see, the grass didn't die right along this area. I'm hoping that was like extra footage anyway, because I went a little over in the back, so it doesn't really matter. I guess I should get on camera talking. The grass didn't die, but it did all along here, as you can see. And pretty much all this is nothing. But I'm only saying that to say I may just have a little bitty patch of grass that I have to take care of. Those rugs were heavy. All that water. I think I'm gonna go in for a second and let the birds feast on these worms, because we got some juicy ones. Man, that one right there look like he about a foot long. And not to mention this one over here. Yeah, I'm gonna let the birds have at it for a minute. But I know what to do when I get my chickens. Oh, I must have stepped on you. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I crushed that one. Now I'm going to put down the sand and wish me luck that I have enough sand.
Dance through the night. Life was music and I was your wife. Time flies and the years went by. Still I tried. Oh, sweet memories of a town I loved, but oh, changed when you left. I keep on asking myself in my mind, were you the one that got away? Went for a dream, but I got lost. This house I leave is nothing like us.
Hey, stop! You're going in the house, y'all. Stop.
Nowhere, that's why I leave. Past the creek where we used to
Stop
swim.
it.
Jump the fence before the summer begins, and getting cool in the summer heat with you, my
went to go get this tarp so I'll have something to put the dirt on, and guess what I found? It's a little harmless snake. I think it was called like a gold neck or something like that. It has like a little gold ring around its neck.
Changed when you left. I keep on asking myself in my mind, were you the one that got away? Sweet memories of the town I love, but changed when you left. I keep on asking myself in my mind, were you the one? Were you the one? Always on my mind.
I know, I need my butt whooped. But after that storm came through and kind of tore up everything, this kind of took a back seat on the priority list. So I'm getting back to it now. Don't be too hard on me. And I figured out this is a numbers game. So basically, they give you numbers. This is 10, this is 1. You put 1 in the 10. So let's snap that in there. And then that's together. And they're a little rusty because they've been outside. And then again, 1 into the other side of 10. And then that makes the curve at the top. And then I just toss it to the side. And the 2. Let's recap. We got 10, 1, and 1. Now we got 2 and 2. And we're just going to continue that. So it's just basically numbers and then pushing it together. I'm going to go ahead on and finish this off of camera so I don't bore you guys to death. I feel like I'm gonna need some help getting this top on, but I don't like to ask people for help. I got it real bad. Like, I hate asking people for help because you ask them for something like simple, like help me put the plastic over the top of here. You know, it'll take about 5 minutes. And they like, all right, cool. And then they'll call you back like a week later and be like, hey, cuz. And you know they want something because they started off with y'all relationship to each other. Cuz. And they'll be like, hey, cuz, how the greenhouse looking? As if they care, right? It look good. It look good. You talking about, yeah, we did a good job. Now, I sat here and struggled with all this metal, but we did a good job draping it, putting that plastic over the top, see? And I'm like, yeah, we did, right? So then after that, they be like, hey, cuz, let me ask you something, cuz I just had an electrician to come out and he said I need to change out my breaker box. And you be like, breaker box? Yeah, so I was trying to see, I'm trying to hook up my dryer, you know what I'm saying? Ain't enough slots. I need to put another breaker in there and all the breakers full on the panel box. So I was trying to see if you could come over and upgrade my breaker box. Like, what? Man, you did something for me that took 5 minutes, and you want me to spend 10 hours over there at your house rewiring your whole house. Is you serious? And be serious. And if you tell them no, oh my God, I was over there helping cuz out, and man, I asked her to do one little simple thing. I ain't gonna say what the little simple thing is, right? I asked her to do one little simple thing for me, and she couldn't even do it. So I hate asking people for stuff because my stuff be small. I be like, what is you cannot be serious right now. Like, I swear, you cannot be serious. Like, nobody in real life would ask nobody no crazy mess like that. So they're velcroed on. You just pull them and then roll them up, and then this is what this little string is for. After you roll it, you just tie it to that, and voila, air can circulate through there. Front here, they have the same thing. You see the mesh in the inside? That's what this extra zip is for, and what these ties up here are for. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. But y'all already know your girl is going to have to trespass you. You have overstayed your welcome, and I'm going to need you to get off my land. Bye. Next time on Just Asking for a Friend, I will be planting some fruit trees and bushes that I got straight out of the mail.